Hello guys, here in this video today I'm going to show you how to fix the driver does not appear to support OpenGL in your Minecraft, which gives you error GLFW error 65542. So the purpose of this video today is to lead you through how you can fix the Minecraft error that says that your video graphic driver is outdated, or that says the driver does not appear to support OpenGL. In this scenario, there are two ways to fix this problem. The first approach to fix the problem is to download the graphic video card updated software from the developers. So in most cases, when you use Windows update to upgrade the graphics software, it might not work as expected. But alternatively, if the OpenGL32.dll file is missing on your computer, you will also experience errors saying the driver does not appear to support OpenGL. So in this guide, I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure that you can follow to fix this error without visiting the ak.ms/mc driver website. So let's do this. Open your browser and go to google.com. Now search for OpenGL 32.dll download. Now you need to click on the first result, which is dllfiles.com. Now when you click on it, you'll be taken to the updated OpenGL file interface. So in this case, we have a series of files available for download. You have and for different architectures. So if you are running a Windows 10 or Windows on 64-bit architecture, you need to go for the 64-bit architecture. Alternatively, if you are running on the 32-bit architecture, then you need to choose and download the 32-bit architecture. So in this case, we're going to download the 64-bit. Then we need to click on the download button. Now the file is downloading. So this will take a few seconds. Now this is the OpenGL32 files we download in a zip file. So you need to open the file when it is done. Okay. Now you have this file. The next thing you need to do is you need to click and go to your this computer or this PC. Go to C drive. Now find program files and click on it. You need to click on your Java files. Now click on JR folder. Now you'll be taken to your GR folder containing information like bin, Lego, and live, and the rest. So you need to click on the bin. Now here you have series of files. So if the OpenGL32 is missing or 64 is missing in this folder, then you will have to fix it to be able to run the Minecraft game again. So what you need to do is drag and drop the OpenGL32. So you just drag and drop, or you can just right click, copy or cut and paste it here. So right click on OpenGL32.dll file, then copy the file. Now go to your GR file folder, right click and click on the paste. Now a pop-up will appear telling you the destination folder access denied. So you need to click on continue to allow this permission. Now the file is being copied. Now you can see. So the file was initially missing from my GR folder. So that is why I am saying the error saying the driver does not appear to support OpenGL. So now you need to do is click on close all folders and open the GL file and open the Minecraft game. So the error that says WLF error 65542, the driver does not appear to support OpenGL, should be fixed now. Please, if you enjoyed this tutorial and if this tutorial has helped you to fix the driver does not support OpenGL in your Minecraft game, please do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates like this. Thank you.